Let's make Finnish barley bread. Rievä. First we'll add 1 cup of milk and 1 cup of water. That's a half a cup, that measurement. So 2 cups total liquid. I heated it up in the microwave and then adding 5 teaspoons of active dry yeast. Then let's add salt, 1.5 or 2 teaspoons of salt. Then to the interesting part, we'll need total 4 cups of flour. I have half of it, I put barley flour, and half of it, this is wheat on top of it. I'm here using not the all-purpose wheat flour, I'm using the one that's good for breads and croissants, and that has a little bit more gluten, that also makes it better stretchy. You can also use all-purpose flour if you don't have the bread flour. But barley flour, that's the essential thing. I had to import that from Finland actually, because I didn't find any around here. So mixing everything gradually there, and then I added 1/3 of a cup of wheat flour more, because this should be soft, but it was so soft that I know that it's good when it starts to separate from the bowl, but it still sticks to your hand like this. So yeah, this is pretty good then. Let the dough rise for 45 minutes. Okay, it's time to knead. So let's take the dough. It looks nice and risen, and this will make 2 smaller breads, or it would make one huge one, but 2 smaller ones are so much easier to cut later and eat. So then some kneading, a few minutes, minimum 5 minutes is good, because the wheat needs kneading. Okay, then divide it into 2 pieces, just roll them to ball shape and then flatten the ball. Then it's time for second proofing, and that will be about 25 minutes under a kitchen towel. Then comes an important part. These should be flat, but this is not flat bread, so it's going to rise, but it's not going to rise too much. That's what we are doing here to prevent that from happening, making holes, stabbing it with a fork, and then brush the breads with water. Add also some water to the oven, so that it will create steam, that it will make it nice and crispier on the surface. Let's check if these are ready. No, not yet. A little bit more time there. It takes about 20 minutes in 440 Fahrenheit or 230 Celsius, and the bread looks like this. Very, very nice. It's been such a long time since I last ate this. It's so good.